Hello, my name is Catherine Brakel. Today I will be your host in teaching you how to search PsychInfo, a database of books, journals, technical reports, and dissertations, both online and physically available to Langara students. This database is aimed at psychology students, covering subjects on a broad range of topics in the psychology field. I will be showing you both how to search this database as instructed by Ebsco, for which I will provide links in my handout in case you need further assistance. And I'll also be showing you how to use Boolean search terms to get similar results. Your preference in search method is of course up to you. I am merely a vehicle delivering this information. Without further ado, let us begin with Ebscohost's method of search. Our example question will be the effects of marijuana use on adolescents with psychosis. Using Ebscohost's tutorial, one types in psychosis into the search bar and press search. As you can see, we get a large amount of results. On the left-hand side of the screen, you can see we have expanders and limiters. So let us begin. First, I'm going to limit us to academic journals, as well as books. And as you can see, this has added to source types some limiters. And we can even further limit this by subject, the major headings. So we click psychosis and it updates it. But we won't want merely psychosis. We also want cannabis. So we go back to subject headings and we scroll down, we find cannabis, and we update it. This way we get psychosis and cannabis as a subject. Then we can add an age limiter because we're not looking for adults, we're looking for adolescents. So we go down to age and we go to adolescents. And as you can see, we've narrowed our search completely to information with the parameters that are within the question we originally asked, and we've got the search results down to 103. The left current search bar shows us all the limiters that we've applied. So now let's do a similar search using Boolean phrases. I will include Boolean definitions in the handout. All right, so type in psychosis. And we want this to be in the subject field, so we're going to limit it to that. We're going to also use the Boolean and to include marijuana use. Marijuana use. And we're going to go for adolescents. And again, we're going to include effects. And let's try effects, impacts, or consequences, since or is an expander, and we've been adding limiters in. And we click search. As you can see, we've limited this to 39. It is even more specific than using the refined results on the side. As you can see, both are effective search methods. We limited our search results both ways. But a Boolean search is faster if you know what subject terms you want to search for and how to use the terms. It also as you can see, we also limited our answers drastically. We have 39 instead of 400. So let's say we want to use this particular article for our research paper. Cannabis in adolescence, insights from animal models. You can click on the site if you choose to use it as your source, and it will take you to Science Direct. There we are. And you can choose to download the PDF onto your computer. Or if you like, you can take this link and go to your email, send it to your address, and put the link to Science Direct in here, sending it to yourself, and it appears right away here. You can go here and access it that way. Easy peasy. There are a few other things we can do. If we click Save, you can actually save it, so you can get a brief citation in APA format, which for psychology is, of course, the format you would want to cite it in. So if you click Save, you can get the citation, APA style. You can also click Add to Folder, and it will be up here. So no matter what, so you can go back like this. And it will still be up here in your folder when you go to look for it. And we can also go in and look for other articles that we might find useful. This is my tutorial. I hope it helps you use this database. Thank you for listening.